Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a link on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs using your desktop shortcut or using your web browser. Once you do this, go ahead and open up any document where you want to edit your link. Now in order to show you an example, let's just go ahead and create a hyperlink. I'm just going to create a hyperlink for the word your. Simply right click on it and click on insert link, and you can paste your link in the given box and click on the apply button and your hyperlink will be created. Now as you can see, my link is connected to the word your. Now in order to change this word, I can simply click on the edit link button at the right side, and now I can change the text that is linked to the URL and also the URL itself. You can simply type in your desired text and click on the apply button, and now your link has been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to rename a link on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.